Generica. Nakuha nilang first, fourth, and fifth. Ito yung mga highlights natin. It was a good start for the Lifesavers. They got that 25-19. At akala natin, uy, flat na flat ang Santa Lucia. But in the second set, Santa Lucia got it. They got the third set. The fourth went Generica's way. In the fifth set, it was anybody's set until Araneta and the rest of the Lifesavers came to life to end it 50-12.
Right, good volleyball matches here in the PSL. Ito pagaling ng pagaling yung level ng play ng Filipino volleyball. And that really excites me, and I'm sure it excites a lot of volleyball enthusiasts out there. So keep watching the PSL, keep supporting us and these teams. And you know, sabay-sabay natin silang i-celebrate yung pagka-improve ng game nila. Ito nga, 5 sets. Yung attacks dyan, Santa Lucia had a difficulty in those first balls. Kaya nagkaroon ng mas maraming attacks ang Lifesavers. Ang aces, Santa Lucia, sila pa yung nanaig dyan. Sa block, sila din. Even the errors, sila yung nanaig because mas kontrolado nila yung errors.
Gusto mo ng palaban?
Sige.
Kasama ni Mitchell Carmen ang ating best player na siyang palaban sa laro ito. Go ahead, Mitch.
Kasama ko ngayon ang ating MVP of the match, Jen Casugod with 20 attacks and 5 blocks. Jen, nung una yung nakalaban, yung Santa Lucia, natapos kayo nun straight sets na panalo nyo yun. But right now, nag-extend tayo to a 5th set and finishing with 41 errors. Ano bang naging challenge sa inyo this time?
Siguro hindi kasi kahapon, puro service, lang kami, service receive. Pero hindi kami masyadong nag-aral doon sa blockings. Doon kami nadali nung second to third set. Yung puro wala kaming blockings talaga. Kaya yun din yung naging problema namin. Kaya naging 5th set yung game namin today.
At ngayon, on a positive note, sabi mo sa akin kanina, pursigido talaga kayong maipanalo, makuha yung 4th place na yan. What's been fueling you so far?
Actually, gusto ko din talaga makapasok dun sa final 3 kaso pinapos lang. Kaya ako, nag-motivate talaga ako kahit sa pang-apat man lang, makapasok kami.